Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we spotlight stocks making major moves. I'm Mitchell, and today we're covering B. Riley Financial, ticker RILY, a diversified financial services firm offering investment banking, wealth management, asset management, and retail solutions across multiple segments. Big news hit yesterday, December 15th. B. Riley finally filed its overdue Q2 2025 10-Q, reporting a strong swing to profitability with $137.5 million in net income, right in line with their prior guidance of $120 to $140 million. This addresses recent NASDAQ delinquency concerns and reprices delisting risk lower. The market responded explosively. Shares rocketed over 30% in after hours and pre-market trading today, December 16th, climbing from around $3.70 to highs near $5 on massive volume. This filing behind them an upcoming name change to BRC Group Holdings next year. RILY could be staging a comeback. Is this the bottom or more volatility ahead? Share your take below. Buy the surge, hold, or caution. Like for more financial stock breakdown, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Excuse me, guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. We'll see you in the next one.